this is Clyde with another tutorial, guys. So today I want to show you guys how to get awesome keyboard on your iOS. Okay, so go to the App Store right here and look for Word Flow. Okay, this is best keyboard ever, guys. Just download it, it's easy and to download, guys. It's basically like 87. Okay, this is by Microsoft. This is awesome. You can customize, put your image on background. This is awesome, guys. So open is right here, workflow. Okay, go. This app is new. I think is 1 week on the App Store or less. I don't know. So go to setting right here. Go all the way back. Let me go all the way back. Go to general. Scroll down to keyboard again, workflow, and allow access. Okay, so that's easy, guys. And then if you go back, like up your notes, if like you start to write something like so, you will see is red right here. You see effects and something like snake right here. It's awesome, guys. So right here you can slide over it like bend and do it again for other size. That's awesome. Oh, do you see that, like the word right here? Press and hold and go to themes, and right here you guys will shows what theme you guys like on the workflow themes. Okay, they just have like those right here, but those are awesome, as you guys can see here. And emoji also is good too, guys. It's good. Right here is not working, so let me just show you guys. Right here you have my theme. You guys can click on and like go to whatever picture you guys have in your cell phone and apply crop. Right here you guys have like a fade, black fade, like silver fade right here, and black white. Okay, I like this one. So go to ABC. Right here you guys have the letters, colors. I like this one, like so. And go to right here. Also you guys have another option right here. So so just press save right here, and then save and apply. Boom. If you guys go back for like to write something, you guys see this keyboard is awesome, guys. So I just found this today, okay, on App Store, and I enjoy it. This is awesome, guys. Look at that. This is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.